Hi everyone, hope you all are doing fine. I know we're in the middle of a pandemic and things can be very stressful, but amidst all the chaos, there's one thing that can make us smile, and that is Mother Nature reviving herself. The soil is reviving back its fertility, the rivers are clearer, and the water bodies are cleaner, and the pollution rates have drastically gone down. So, yeah, our natural resources are reviving itself, which is a very good thing. And yes, no life form can exist without the help of these natural resources. So, today's class, we learn about the importance of these natural resources. So, what is a resource? Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is called a resource. For instance, the book that you write in, the mobile phones, the laptops, and all the other automobiles that you're using, everything has some kind of use, and anything that has a particular kind of usage is called a resource. Utility is what makes an object or a substance called a resource. So, for a resource to be considered a resource, it should have some amount of utility. And utility also adds something that is called is value. So, a resource has some kind of value. Moving on to the types of resources, there are three types of resources: natural, human, and human made. Now let us study in detail about all the three types of resources. So classification of natural resource is like the following. That is, according to the level of development, there are actual resources and potential resources. With the division of origin, there's abiotic factors and biotic factors. And when it comes to stock and distribution, there is ubiquitous and localized kind of resources. So now let us study in detail about actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known. These resources are being used in the present. For example, the coal mines in Germany and the dark soils present in the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra are all actual resources. Moving on to potential resources. Potential resources are those resources whose entire quantity may not be known in the present, but they definitely have some future usage. For instance, the uranium found in Ladakh may not be used right now because the technology we have for using it is not enough. But maybe sometime in the future, we will definitely have some amount of usage from such resources. High-speed winds were once a potential resource, but now that we have windmills, they are no longer potential resources but actual resources because their usage can be utilized now.